Everyone at innowave is very excited to introduce you to our newest product offering, the innowave LBG. We are confident that you'll find this product to be a competitive and valuable new addition to the line of innowave products. In this presentation, we'll discuss the reasons for introducing the innowave LBG, how the innowave LBG is positioned against other innowave systems, the treatment technologies used by the innowave LBG, the system's features, and the marketing tools you can use in your sales efforts. At innowave, we realize that the business-to-business water treatment industry has changed dramatically in just the last few years. Now, you need more product options to satisfy your customers. Each customer has specific water quality concerns and a budget to work with. In today's tight economy, you need a strong competitor for selling situations where price is a critical factor. As the premier provider of drinking water systems, innowave is dedicated to giving you and your customers products with the highest standards that provide the safest drinking water. It is our goal to provide innowave dealers with absolutely the most outstanding product in every category, from high-end distillation systems for customers that demand purified water, to filtration systems for customers who are looking to improve aesthetic water quality such as taste and odor issues. By adding the innowave LBG to the innowave product lineup, innowave now has the most complete and extensive point-of-use product line in the industry. innowave systems use a wide variety of treatment technologies, offer outstanding features, and are tested and certified to the industry's highest available standards. With a product line like this, there is absolutely no reason for you to offer products that carry anything other than the innowave name. The innowave LBG was introduced to provide a very competitively priced product for selling situations where the customer's budget is an important decision factor. When selling bottleless technology, innowave is a strong believer that it's important to always lead with your best product. This means using the top-down selling approach to assure your prospect is educated and that you are providing your customer with the best value for their dollar. The innowave LBG is one of many innowave products you have to sell. So, it's important for you to understand where the LBG fits in the top-down selling approach. Every customer has a unique set of wants and needs. Your challenge is to match the right product with the needs of the customer to maximize the value your dealership gets out of each and every transaction. To optimize the top-down selling process, we often categorize innowave systems based upon their contaminant reduction ability, their features, and their degree of testing and certification. These categories include purification products, Segment 3 products, Segment 2 products, and Segment 1 products. Educating your customer by introducing the best performing products first and introducing lower-end products last, and only if needed, provides a greater likelihood that your customer will choose the system that is the best value for them. The best products are those with the greatest contaminant reduction capabilities and the most valuable features. These products include the innowave 270 and innowave 270H, which are considered water purifiers, whereas all other innowave products are water treatment devices. These products are system certified to NSF Standard 62 and effectively reduce all classes of contaminants, including organic, inorganic, biological, and radioactive contaminants. These get out the tough stuff like arsenic and MTBE. In addition, both products are loaded with features such as leak detection, programmable circuit boards, safeguarding technology, and auto drains. Best of all, the innowave 270 is tested to the U.S. EPA microbiological water purifier standard and is proven to reduce bacteria, viruses, and parasites in worst-case water. The Segment 3 product category would include the innowave UVF and the innowave UVF3. These systems use a GAC and 1-micron carbon block filter along with in-tank ultraviolet light. Both of these systems offer outstanding contaminant reduction, but are less effective in reducing organic contaminants than innowave's distillation-based products. For example, if you have a prospect that is concerned with arsenic, they need to upgrade to a water purifier. The 1-micron filter in these systems is certified to NSF standards 42 for reducing chlorine and particle matter and improving taste and odor. The innowave UVF is also certified to NSF standard 55B for its ultraviolet reduction of bacteria. These systems offer great features like temperature readouts, drip tray overflow protection, and safeguarding technology. The innowave UVF is tested to the U.S. EPA microbiological standard for general case water. It offers a very high degree of reduction of microbiological contaminants, but is not considered a purifier like the innowave 270 and innowave 270H. The Segment 2 product category includes the innowave Chiller UV and the innowave LF. These systems are primarily filtration systems with the 1-micron filter certified to NSF standard 42, aesthetic effects for taste, odor, and chlorine reduction, and NSF standard 53, health effects for reducing lead, cysts, and turbidity. These products have in-tank UV lamps with the UV configuration designed primarily to keep the chill tank sanitized. The new innowave LBG is considered a Segment 1 product. It has fewer features than other innowave systems and offers varying degrees of contaminant reduction depending upon which technologies are used in the system's configuration, whether it's reverse osmosis or filtration. Reverse osmosis is a technology well known for contaminant reduction capabilities. However, the RO components in the innowave LBG are not tested and certified by NSF to reduce contaminants. The 1-micron carbon block filter used in the filtration configuration has been tested and certified to NSF standards 42 and 53. Here's a recap of the different product categories in the top-down selling process. The purification segment includes the distillation-based innowave 270 and innowave 270H. The Segment 3 product line includes the innowave UVF and innowave UVF3. The Segment 2 product groupings includes the innowave Chiller UV and the innowave LF, and the Segment 1 group includes the new innowave LBG. Now, I would like to introduce George Carey, a product manager for innowave, to provide you some more information about the innowave LBG.
The innowave LBG is an attractive, economical unit. It features a metallic finish and contemporary style that looks great in any office or work environment. It includes both hot and cold water dispensers and has a chilling capacity that exceeds that of ordinary bottled water coolers. The innowave LBG can be configured to treat drinking water in a variety of different ways depending upon local water quality, drain access, and your customer's budget. The technologies available for your customers to choose from include filtration and reverse osmosis, either of which can be combined with ultraviolet light. When you receive innowave LBG units from innowave, neither the filtration nor reverse osmosis components will be installed in the systems. This allows you to configure the system with the water treatment technologies chosen by your customers. The ability to configure the system to your customers' wants and needs allows flexibility in providing a variety of drinking water solutions to your customers. The first way the innowave LBG can be configured is with a filtration package. This option includes a 5-micron sediment filter and a 1-micron carbon block filter. The sediment filter is designed to reduce particulate matter and add to the lifetime of the carbon block filter. The carbon block filter also reduces particle matter along with lead, cysts, turbidity, and aesthetic chlorine. The carbon block filter is certified to NSF ANSI Standard 42 aesthetic effects and Standard 53 for health effects. Another way to configure the innowave LBG is with the reverse osmosis package. This configuration includes a sediment filter, a pre-granular activated carbon filter, a reverse osmosis membrane, and a post-granular activated carbon filter. This 4-stage treatment process is capable of producing approximately 50 gallons of drinking water per day. Reverse osmosis is a proven treatment technology that requires some explanation. The process of reverse osmosis is not too different from a block filter. Instead of a carbon media, a semi-permeable membrane with very fine pores is used to mechanically strain water. Minute water molecules are able to escape through tiny pores and pass through the membrane while other larger molecules, including many contaminants, are blocked from passing through the membrane. This graphic demonstrates how the reverse osmosis process works. RO relies on water pressure to force water through a semi-permeable membrane. This membrane has an extremely small tolerance for allowing certain size molecules to pass through it. In fact, this tolerance equates to a 0.0003 micron rating. Because water is such a small molecule, it is able to pass through the membrane while other larger molecules, ones which may be contaminants, are not able to pass through. But not all water passes through. Some water is needed to flush or discharge potential contaminants from the RO housing. In fact, approximately 3 gallons of water are drained away for every 1 gallon of water that passes through the membrane. If you're looking to place an RO system in a customer location, be sure to check that a drain is accessible and that they are aware of the water that is wasted, as it may affect their water bill. So how effective is reverse osmosis at reducing contaminants? Well, RO certainly does a very good job, but it does not reduce everything that you can find in drinking water. Reverse osmosis is generally effective at reducing parasites and bacteria, but is not always effective in reducing waterborne viruses, which can pass through the RO membranes. This is due to the very small size of many viruses. In addition, reverse osmosis is only partially effective against contaminants like arsenic. Generally, reverse osmosis is effective in reducing organic and inorganic contaminants. It is partially effective for biological and radioactive contaminants. RO, when used by itself, is not effective for improving water's taste and odor or for reducing chlorine, which is why most RO systems include a granular activated carbon post-filter. For the best protection from all classes of contaminants, distillation still remains the best choice. More information about which contaminants reverse osmosis can reduce is listed at the Water Quality Association's website at www.wqa.org. There also are a few factors that can affect the performance of reverse osmosis. One of the most prominent is damage to the RO membrane created by chlorine. For this reason, it is essential that a granular activated carbon filter be placed prior to the RO membrane and that this filter be changed regularly. In addition, turbid water conditions can put a strain on an RO membrane as well. This makes it necessary to also have a sediment filter to reduce particulate matter prior to the RO membrane. As you can see from this illustration, innowave has protected the RO membrane by adding both a sediment filter and a GAC filter prior to the RO membrane. This configuration adds to the lifetime of all components and helps to assure high-quality drinking water. The RO membrane, along with all of the filters on the innowave LBG, should be changed approximately every 12 months. The final step, which is a post-GAC filter, helps to improve the taste. Another technology that is offered in the innowave LBG is an ultraviolet light option. The innowave LBG features a recirculating UV system as an alternative to in-tank or in-line UV treatment. The recirculating UV feature is designed to prevent bacterial growth in the cold water tank. The UV recirculation method works by constantly circulating water in and out of the cold water storage tank. A pump moves the entire amount of water in the system past an ultraviolet lamp at a rate of more than 60 times per hour. The pump used in the recirculating UV process is extremely quiet, and once the water is treated with UV, it is returned back to the cold water tank. This method differs from the innowave UVF, innowave chiller UV, and the innowave LF, which feature in-tank ultraviolet light. The recirculating UV technology used by the innowave LBG was designed primarily to address the sanitization of the cold water tank and not to reduce pathogenic microorganisms. Microbiological claims should not be made on the innowave LBG. The innowave LBG competes very well with other water coolers in terms of cold water production. As you can see from this chart, the innowave LBG easily outperforms one of the most common bottled water coolers on the market. The blue lines represent the cold water output of the innowave LBG. In this chart, you can see that the innowave LBG performs favorably against the Oasis Aqua Bar. All innowave LBG units provide both cold and hot water. The innowave LBG is equipped with a very convenient front service panel. This panel provides service technicians with a fast and convenient way to access and change components. innowave has modified the innowave LBG by adding a base at the bottom of the unit. The base adds height to the unit and provides more accessibility to the dispenser, so your customers won't have to bend over to get drinking water. This base can also be easily and inexpensively replaced should it become damaged or marred by mops, brooms, or shoes. The drip tray on the innowave LBG can be modified to drain excess water. Simply remove the drip tray, remove the silicone cap, and attach 1/2 inch tubing that leads to a drain location. Now here's some more information about some of the marketing support materials for the LBG.
You can count on innowave to provide you with some of the most extensive and professional marketing support materials in the industry. For the innowave LBG, we have developed 2 different brochures, or as we call them, leave-behinds. In those instances where you want to present information on the filtration configuration of the innowave LBG, we have developed a leave-behind that is specific to filtration technology. On one side, all of the advantages of bottleless technology are clearly presented. On the other side, specific information about the filtration package is explained, including information about NSF certification on the 1-micron carbon block filter. innowave has also developed a separate leave-behind that has been customized for the reverse osmosis configuration of the innowave LBG. In addition to the benefits of bottleless technology, the brochure explains the 4-stage reverse osmosis treatment process. Both brochures can be ordered by contacting your regional account representative. One of the most popular of sales tools among innowave dealers is the bottleless technology flash presentation. This is the same presentation that appears on the innowave website. Playing the bottleless technology file from a laptop during your sales presentation is a great way to communicate all of the advantages of point-of-use technology to your prospect. You can download this presentation in the Dealer Resource Zone of the innowave website. Another great sales tool is a PowerPoint presentation for the innowave LBG that has been designed specifically for you to email to your prospects or present in person. The presentation outlines all of the benefits of bottleless technology and provides detailed descriptions of all of the key features of the innowave LBG. This PowerPoint presentation is available on the innowave LBG Launch CD, or contact innowave Marketing Department and we'll email it to you. The file size of the presentation is small enough to email to one of your prospects. This is a great way to follow up with a qualified prospect after a cold call. It's also a great follow-up piece to send to a prospect that prefers that you send them something rather than meeting in person. For example, if you have tried to set up an appointment with the same person several times, but they refuse to meet, simply ask them if you can send them more information via email. After sending the email, follow up the next day to find out what they thought about the presentation. Thank you for your attention during the presentation, and most of all, thank you for being an innowave dealer. If you have more questions about the innowave LBG, be sure to contact innowave at 800-288-1891 or contact your regional sales director. And good luck selling!